I'm Teagan. I'm a diabetes educator working at Congress.
What did we learn last week?
How much
sugar was in the bowl.
Sugars in the soft drinks.
Yeah. Which one had the most sugar?
The cold.
The big
1.5.
Yeah. What did we learn about what brings our sugars back down?
Exercise and healthy eating.
Great. And what was that monster in our body coming to take the sugar?
Insulin.
Yeah, good one.
I was waiting for that.
What makes insulin in our body? What's that organ?
Pancreas.
Nice one. Yeah. So the pancreas makes insulin, and insulin takes the sugar back out of our blood.
So in Central Australia, we're seeing increasing rates of diabetes in youth. We've designed a 4-week program to take to the schools and educate all students about diabetes. We thought that if it's not themselves, they might know someone, a family member or a friend who has diabetes who they can help support.
What we're doing at Menzies is trying to get young people like yourself talk to us and tell us what will, stop it from being shame job. Can we put out more videos out there with our young people talking? Don't be shamed. Diabetes is everybody's business, and putting it out there on camera. We need our people to spread the message out there, to tell the rest of our crew, it's all right, you're not alone, and you don't have to die. It's not a death sentence, If you look after yourself, you'll be right. You won't get, lose your limb, you won't go blind. You can live well with diabetes.
We used to run this program just for children with diabetes, and we changed the design to capture all students because we gathered that in the future they might be a key carer or support for someone with diabetes, or they might be experiencing diabetes themselves.
So that's where you have to help everyone at home, checking their feed as well. If they need the foot doctor, bring them into clinic and we can help them just before anything bad happens.
Welcome to diabetes lesson where we learn about foot.
We turn it up, oops, it's frozen. And then we find the blood flow in here. So
The sickness lens. Don't be shamed from it, don't be frightened from it. Let's all work together and help look after one another and spread that word about diabetes and just say we can do this and we can live happy, healthy lives with it.
So tell me, Patrick, how did you hurt your leg, Patrick?
It was on a grand final day, beating Robis by margin and trying to do a specky and hit the ground and break my leg. You got Mickey, he witnessed.
Yeah, I got broken legs too.
Broken his leg too.
Look at that, look at the poor guys with their broken legs.
Be shame, we can talk about it, We all know about it. It's probably in all of our somebody in our family we know, got diabetes. So let's not be shamed, let's talk about it and let's help one another change the train of thought of thinking, I'm gonna die. We don't have to die.
Okay, today we learned about diabetes, but I didn't know that our foot was involved with diabetes. Yeah, and we learned about if we eat lots of sugar, it make our foot hurt. And we get this hardened skin, or we got hard skin. But yeah, we call it damper foot. And when you get prickle, you don't even know you're having it. You don't even know the prickle is underneath your foot. Anything sharp, anything hot, anything burning, you don't even know because you take too much sugar.
Hi, you're on TV. We are at the diabetes event and they're learning about diabetes. And now let's take a look.
This is Educator and getting your foot checked. And make sure you got to get a check on it.
Not drink alcohol. Hi, you're on TV. I'm Miss Tina and today we are at the diabetes workshop. We are having a look at how much sugar is in different types of foods, did some painting, having some barbecue, taking some really cool photos. So yeah.
My name is Michael, I'm from Cannon Creek, and today we are at Alice Spring Todd Mall Diabetes event thing. And yeah, well, hello, you're on TV.
I was painting this canvas.
Look here. What do you want to land today?
I don't know. We're just walking around and have a barbecue over there and they're going to take photo here.
Alright, sorry, we'll go again.
Help one another and let's share that message out there. Let's do it together, let's beat diabetes together.
That's so true. Same thing. What's special about this tomato sauce?
we are learning about healthy eating.
Today I cut up some cucumbers and tomatoes to make a healthy meal for us.
Is it a red bottle?
It is a red bottle. Reduced salt and sugar. Probably not sugar-free, but it's lower.
Everything doesn't have to be sugar-free.
Yeah. You can have a little bit, yeah. A little bit's okay.
We're learning about diabetes and slow blood flow can be bad for our feet.
Check with a doctor if you're safe.
Who knows someone on dialysis? Me. Really? How long do they spend on the machine?
5 hours.
Yeah.
Sometimes they do it from morning to night, like some of them.
Yeah. Some people do it while they sleep. What happens if they go to the clinic?
They get really sick and then they pass away.
Sometimes. Yeah.
And
If you're on this one for a long time.
If they don't go to dialysis, their skin will start getting darker.
If you miss your dialysis, you've got nothing taking all that bad stuff out of your blood. So you get really sick. We want to look after these 2 kidneys so we don't have to go on this one.
What if you only have 1 kidney?
You can live with just 1 kidney, but if you get sick and that kidney gets sick, then you've got none.
Listening to one another, supporting each other, and spreading that word out there. It's all right. You're not going to die straight away. We get scared when we hear any sickness, or we might have seen Nana sitting there on dialysis, or we might see Auntie getting her leg cut off halfway, and things like that. We've all got somebody who's close to us that knows about diabetes.
We were really impressed with the students' engagement and curiosity on the topic of diabetes. They were asking lots of questions about dialysis, their kidneys and their foot health as well, which was great to see. So we'd like to thank Yarara for having us come along to the school, and we hope to run this program again in the future.